Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be among the first ones to be notified when a new video is posted.
Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living.
So guys, about a month or so ago I did a video on the top 10 richest Jamaican dancehall artists, and I see that it has been going well. Persons are interested, and so I decided to give you the top 10 richest Jamaican reggae artists. And as before, I just want to let you know that these figures are estimated. It is what I garner from the internet. All right, so if you have the correct figures and you feel that these figures are not correct, just comment below and we can work something out. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get right into the video. At number 10, we have Etana. Shauna Mackenzie was born on the 22nd of May, 1984. Her debut studio album, The Strong One, was released in June 2008, and in December 2018, Etana was nominated for a Grammy Award for the Best Reggae Album. And as they said, the rest is history. She's one of the most successful female Jamaican artists. Her estimated net worth is somewhere between 2 to 4 million US dollars. Jesse David Leroy Gray, aka Jesse Royal, was born on April 29, 1989. He enjoyed his early years in the hills of Maroon Town and the district of Orange in St. James before moving with his mother and brother to join his father in Kingston. Jesse eventually developed a special relationship with Daniel Marley, who is the son of Ziggy Marley at school. His friendship with Daniel proved to be the fuel to the fire as they shared a deep passion for music and football. Jesse Royal's estimated net worth is approximately US $7 million. Next on the list is Marcia Griffiths. Marcia Griffiths was born on the 23rd of November, 1949 in Kingston, Jamaica. Her musical career started in 1964, where she started performing on stage with Byron Lee and the Dragonaires. Her performance was so impressive that the following day, Ronnie Nasrallah and Clement Dodd both offered her recording contracts, and she chose to go to the Dodd Studio One. Between 1974 and 1981, she was a member of the famous I3s, who were the backup singers for Bob Marley and the Wailers. One of her biggest hits to date is Electric Boogie. Her estimated net worth is valued at about US $10 million. Next on the list is Maxi Priest. Max Alfred Elliott was born on June 10th, 1961. He is a British reggae artist with Jamaican parents. He is best known for singing reggae music with a little R&B influence. He is one of the first international artists to have succeeded in this genre of the fusion between reggae and R&B. His first major album was released in 1988. His estimated net worth is valued at about US $10 million. Coming in at number 6, we have David Nestor Marley, otherwise known as Ziggy Marley. He was born on October 17, 1968. And we all know that he is the son of the famous Bob Marley. His musical career started at a very early age when he was the lead singer in the group The Melody Makers, which included his siblings. After the group The Melody Makers was disbanded, Ziggy Marley launched his solo career and released his debut album in April 2003. Ziggy is an 8-time Grammy winner for Best Reggae Album. His estimated net worth is US $10.2 million. At number 5, we have Gramps Morgan. Roy Gramps Morgan was born on July 7th, 1976, and he is the son of the popular Jamaican reggae artist Denroy Morgan. Gramps is a part of the reggae group Morgan Heritage, and he also has his own solo career. Gramps was born in Brooklyn, New York. In 2009, Gramps released his debut solo album entitled Two Sides of the Heart, which earned him a number of awards. His estimated net value is about US $12 million. Coming in at number 4, we have Jimmy Cliff. James Chambers, aka Jimmy Cliff, was born on July 30th, 1944. He is a multi-instrumentalist, singer, and actor. Some of Jimmy Cliff's very popular songs are Many Rivers to Cross, You Can Get It If You Really Want It, and The Harder They Come. Jimmy Cliff was born in the parish of St. James, and he began writing songs while he was still in primary school. His estimated net worth is about US $18 million. At number 3, we have Stephen Robert Nestor Marley, and he was born on April 20th, 1972, and he's another of the famous Marley brothers, the son of reggae icon Robert Nestor Marley. He is also an 8-time Grammy Award winner who was also a part of the group Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers. Stephen released his first solo album, Mind Control, in 2007. His estimated net worth is US $20 million. Winding down the list, at number 2, we have Damian Robert Nestor Jr. Gang Marley, and he was born on the 21st of July, 1978. Damian is the youngest son of reggae icon Bob Marley, and he was only 2 years old when his father died. Damian's solo career started in the early 1990s. His net worth is estimated at about US $20.8 million. And in the number 1 position is Alpharetta Constantina Marley, otherwise known as Rita Marley. And Rita was born on the 25th of July, 1946. And she was born in Cuba to Jamaican parents. She was a member of the famous vocal group, the I-Threes, along with Marcia Griffiths and Judy Mowat. And they gained their popularity and recognition as the backing vocalist for Bob Marley and the Wailers. Her estimated net worth is about US $50 million. So there you have it, guys. Comment below. Think the figures are ridiculous or what? Just comment below and give me the corrected figures if you have them, and we can always make adjustments. And if you think someone was left off the list and you have more information than I do, just comment it below. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.